In class, we learned about parallel circuits, and I'll just give you a quick overview of what we did in class. We talked about the fact that for a parallel circuit, when you have a voltage, it's the same voltage applied to all resistors in the circuit. So this 12 volts, there's 12 volts across this 10 ohm resistance, and there's 12 volts across this 20 ohm resistance. You also have multiple paths for current to follow. So current can go through the 10 ohm resistor or through the 20 ohm resistor. Where there's more resistance, there will be less current. So less current flows through the 20 ohms, more current flows through the 10 ohms. You can apply Ohm's law to each of these resistors to figure out current. We know voltage, we know resistance, therefore the current for resistor 1, I1 is the current, is 12 volts divided by the 10 ohms, gives you 1.2 amps. For the second resistor, the resistance is 20 ohms, but it's still a 12 volt voltage. So the current for the second resistor is 12 volts divided by 20 ohms is 0.6 amps. Notice, less current, more resistance, less resistance, more current. The total current, so the current going this way and going that way, is the sum of the currents through each resistor. So the current, the total current for this circuit is 1.2 amps here, the 0.6 amps there, add them together, 1.8 amps is the total current running through this circuit. So, multiple paths, multiple resistance, same voltage on each resistance, and the current will take the path of least resistance, so you get more current through the lower resistance, less current through the greater resistance.